So see over here, as we have discussed all the things in that our one day on that session, that what are the opportunities through GATE and what should be the best preparation strategy for GATE. So for that only, I will give you guidance for maths and aptitude for this 1 week, that is 6 days from Monday to Saturday. Our plan will be from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I will take your classes from 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, 1 hour each, and we'll try to finish linear algebra's half portion in these 4 days, right? And I will start your practice of numerical aptitude for these 2 days, Friday and Saturday. Is it clear now? So 4 days we are going to learn maths, and 1 day we are going to learn aptitude. And based on this, you can start your preparation accordingly. Okay. So let us start maths. First today, let us learn, and then in that session also few students were asking that, sir, what should be the best books to prepare or for preparation, right? That also I will suggest you, but let us start first of all now. Okay. So let us start linear algebra today. Okay. So if you are preparing for maths, then for maths, your linear algebra is your first chapter or very basic chapter. Right. Linear algebra includes algebra or algebraic operations of matrices and determinant. Right. Now, from this chapter, you can expect minimum 3 to 4 marks and maximum 5 to 6 marks in GATE. Minimum 3 to 4 and maximum 5 to 6. So, on an average, you can expect from minimum 3 to 6 marks. Okay. So, on an average, you can expect 4 to 5 marks from this chapter. Now, see over here. So linear algebra will generally deals with matrices, determinants, its properties, right? So properties of matrices, properties of determinants, as well as their application, right? So let us start with basic definition or basic properties of matrices and determinants. So what is matrix and what is determinant? We all know that your matrix is an rectangular arrangement of data, right? What is definition of matrix? It is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of data. Suppose you are having so many data and you are arranging them in rectangular form, right? This is your rectangular form in which you are having m rows and n columns, right? Suppose these are your m rows and these are your n columns. Okay. So likewise, you can have each and every element at each and every intersection. So this is your rectangular arrangement. You can represent this as the square big brackets or normal big brackets. So this is your definition of matrix. So who will tell me definition of determinant? Anyone remember this? Or what is determinant simply? Okay. Just you can raise your hand. Okay. Matrices and determinant. Okay. So determinant is your value. See, matrix is your rectangular arrangement of data. But yes, okay, Viral, tell me. You can unmute yourself, Viral. I have given you access. And also tell me which language is comfortable to you. English is comfortable, or should I move to Hindi, English Hindi, or Hindi Gujarati? તમને જે સારું લાગે બોલો. अगर आपको हिंदी ठीक लग रही है तो ओके. सो हाँ, इंग्लिश, हिंदी इंग्लिश, ओके. सो एंड जस्ट मेक चैट प्राइवेट प्लीज. जस्ट रिप्लाई मी प्राइवेटली, सिर्फ प्राइवेटली रिप्लाई करें. तो बमिन करके हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं हिंदी, अमन बोल रहे हैं इंग्लिश. सो ओके, विल मूव टू हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. सो दीप, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं आप डिटर्मिनेंट के बारे में क्या जानते हैं? कैन यू टेल मी? यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड स्पीक. ओके, यश बोले છે કે વચ્ચે વચ્ચે ગુજરાતી પણ નાખો. બિલકુલ. बोलिए दीप, anyone, if anyone want to speak about determinant. Okay. Yes. So what is your determinant? Determinant is your value. Determinant आपका क्या है? It is just value. Matrix is your arrangement, but determinant is your value. Now, how you can find this value? Determinant is only defined for, see over here, right? Only for square matrix. You can find value of that square matrix or value associated with that square matrix. See, this is your rectangular arrangement of data, m cross n, where m and n should not be same, or may be same, may not be same. But for determinant, your value of that determinant should be, if you want to find that value, it should be of square matrix only, right? So determinant should be defined for square matrix. It is value associated with square matrix. Okay, one numerical value which is associated with square matrix. So that square matrix you can take 2 by 2, 3 by 3, right? आप 2 by 2 ले सकते हैं, 3 by 3 ले सकते हैं. वो determinant आप कैसे find करते थे, right? See over here. And students, please give me some response. I want to make this session interactive. So whenever I'm asking anything, just type in chat box. If you are hesitating in answering any question, just type in chat box. Suppose this is 2 by 2 determinant, right? આ તમારું 2 by 2 નિશ્ચાયક છે ગુજરાતીમાં. બોલો. So how we can find its value? A, B, C, D, 2 by 2 determinant. You can type in chat box as well. You can raise your hand if you want to speak. Very good. Very good. So Parth, Avinash, and please make your chat private, right? Reply to me privately. Yes. Very good. Very good. So I'm getting response from 4 students, and that is AD minus BC. Yes. So these are your diagonal elements, right? These are your diagonal elements, and these are your off diagonal elements. So first we will multiply diagonal elements, then minus off diagonal elements. Suppose in the same way, if I am having 3 by 3 determinant, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and C. Symbol of matrix was square bracket, big, or normal bracket. But symbol of determinant is these 2 lines. Okay. If you are writing all the numbers, or if you are finding any determinant or value associated with square matrix, then you can find like this. So how we can find this 3 by 3 matrix or 3 by 3 determinant? For that, we are having one shortcut. The shortcut was given by Saras, right? So it is known as Saras rule. So do you know about this Saras rule, students? Anyone? Hiding method is also there, right? So I think Faizanul, शायद वही आपका नाम है फैजानुल, right? तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि एक हाइडिंग वाली मेथड है, वो हम करेंगे डेफिनेटली. बट अभी मुझे सिर्फ सारस रूल के बारे में देखना है. तो सारस रूल के बारे में कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me? Yes, Sheikh has raised his hand. So Sheikh, will you tell me? Afrain Sheikh, right? If my pronunciation is not wrong, you can unmute yourself and you can speak.
Sir,
Yes.
saying about hiding.
Sorry.
Hiding method.
Okay, hiding.
Sir, I am saying. Sir, A.
A. अच्छा, you are telling hiding method. Okay. Okay. A
Yes,
then.
sir.
A.
Then EI minus HF.
Okay. Or let's write like this. EFHI. Okay. Okay, Avinash.
Okay.
After that, you will tell me Saras method. Next.
Minus B.
Minus B.
Then DGFI.
No, check this. If you are hiding this, so DFGI, isn't it? Or DGFI. You are telling me
No.
column wise. Okay.
DGFI.
Okay, next.
Plus C. Plus C.
Okay.
Then DGEH.
DGEH. Okay. Then after that, we can find these values of 2 by 2 determinants. Okay. So this is one method, right? कि शेख ने अभी क्या किया? शेख, you can mute yourself now, right? उन्होंने फर्स्ट रो से, right? फर्स्ट रो से आपके डिटर्मिनेंट को एक्सपांड कर दिया. This is plus minus plus, right? We are having sign of each and every place. See over here. अभी के लिए आप साइन डायरेक्ट याद रख सकते हैं. दिस इज वन पैटर्न, प्लस माइनस प्लस, माइनस प्लस माइनस, अगेन प्लस माइनस प्लस. ओके, एंड दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस 1 टू द पावर आई प्लस जे. वो सारी चीजें हम डिटेल में देखेंगे जब हम उसके माइनर और को फैक्टर्स देखेंगे. तो जब आप इसमें आई इज नंबर ऑफ रो एंड जे इज नंबर ऑफ कॉलम वो रखोगे तो ये आपको पैटर्न मिलेगी. नहीं तो हम शॉर्टकट पे बिलीव करते हैं, तो 3/3 के लिए आप डायरेक्टली याद रख सकते हो, इन प्लेसेस पे आपका माइनस है। ओके, सो इन प्लेसेस पे आपका माइनस है। अब इनको आप कैसे याद रख सकते हो, राइट? तो आप कोई भी एक મીઠાઈ ગુજરાતીમાં કહું તો શક્કરપારો, શક્કરપારો આપણી ફેમસ મીઠાઈ છે, બરાબર? એટલે મીઠાઈ ને એટલે ટાઈપનું એ હા, પણ શક્કરપારાથી તમે યાદ રાખી શકો કે એ બધું માઇનસ છે। और बाकी सब के लिए हम बोल सकते हैं कोई भी एनी स्वीट, राइट? इट इज योर काजू कतली, लाइक दैट। ओके, चलो। And from that, if this is plus a minus b plus c, for plus a, if you hide this row and column, right? If you are taking this plus a, and for plus a, if you hide this row and column, it's row and column, then you'll be left with EFHI. So that is EFHI over here. If you are taking b, if you hide row and column of this minus b with its sign, so you will get DFGI, DFGI. If you are taking c, if you hide its row and column, you will get DEGH, DEGH. Is it clear? Right. हाँ, now who will tell me about सारस रूल? अविनाश, पहले आप बोले सारस रूल के बारे में, पार्थ भी जानते हैं। ओके,
हाँ सर, उसमें शायद सर जो लास्ट वाला कॉलम है CFI, उसको जो डिटर्मिनेंट के बाहर एक मतलब ए बी
Okay.
ए डी जी जो हमारा कॉलम उसके बाहर रख देंगे CFI,
वापिस।
और जो
ओके, हाँ
और जो ADG है
हाँ,
उसको मतलब जहाँ पे CFI के पीछे रख देंगे वहां पे।
ओके, तो ये आपका CFI
और
है। oh wait, let me change this pointer. Okay, so already we are having this 3/3 determinant ADG BEH CFI। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट कॉलम को वापस रख देंगे ADG। ओके,
Yes,
उसके बाद
सर ये जो CFI है वो फर्स्ट कॉलम के आगे रख देंगे।
CFI फर्स्ट कॉलम के आगे। अच्छा, यहाँ पे CFI।
हाँ,
ओके,
और बाद में डायगोनल्स बनाए जाएंगे सर, FG
ओके,
DGH
ओके,
AEI।
ये आपका पहला डायगोनल, ये दूसरा, ये तीसरा, फिर यहाँ
ओके,
पे ये
और
आपका
सर,
पहला, दूसरा,
हाँ,
तीसरा, और
और
फिर
सर,
मल्टीप्लाई करके। ओके, ओके,
ओके, यस सर।
ओके, थैंक यू अविनाश। चलो पार्थ, आपको कुछ कहना है? आप भी यही बोलना चाहते थे कि कुछ और?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
आई कैन हियर यू पार्थ, टेल मी।
Hello. Hello.
I think Parth, now I am not able to hear you. Can you try again? Yes, I can hear you, Parth. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Parth, tell me.
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Parth, tell me.
Sir, my method is almost similar. What I have learned is just repeat first two rows.
Okay, first
A,
two
B,
rows or
C.
column?
First two rows.
Rows, this A, B, C and D, E, F.
A, B, C, and D, E, F. Write it below this matrix.
Okay, A, B, C and D, E, F. Okay.
And now draw the diagonals AEI, DHC, and GBF.
GBF.
Similarly, on the other side, CEG, AHF, and BBI.
ABI. Okay.
Now, just
Got it.
sum both the
Got it.
sides and get the subtraction.
Got it. Got it. So this is our method of Parth. Okay, this is also right. One more method is there. Right, जो पार्थ ने अभी रो वाइज किया वही सेम मेथड आप कॉलम वाइज भी कर सकते हैं। राइट, दो कॉलम को सबको उस तरफ लिख दो, ADGBEHCFI, and when you write these two columns on next side, so first is ADG, another is BEH. Okay, so see over here. So in all the cases, see your first product is AEI, this is AEI. Then you are getting BFG, BFG. Then DHC, DHC. Right, here we are getting BFG first and then DHC. Now GEC, FHA, BDI. Right, GEC, FHA and BDI. So आप कोई भी मेथड फॉलो कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। यू कैन फॉलो एनी मेथड विच यू कैन फील कंफर्टेबल। आइदर आप लास्ट रो को पहले रख दें, लास्ट कॉलम को पहले रख दें, फर्स्ट कॉलम को बाद में रख दें। यही सेम चीज आप रो के लिए भी कर सकते हैं। आइदर फर्स्ट टू रोज को नीचे लिख दो, आइदर फर्स्ट टू कॉलम्स को वो साइड पे लिख दो। नाउ आफ्टर दैट योर स्टेप विल बी राइट। अब आपके पास दो टाइप के डायगोनल है स्टूडेंट्स। वन डायगोनल इज दिस main diagonal and one diagonal is this off diagonal. So just multiply all terms of main diagonal. So this is your CDH plus AEI plus BFG, right? And now multiply all the terms of this off diagonal. So it is IDB plus GEC plus HFA, and subtract this off diagonal elements from on diagonal elements, right? So this is going to give you value of determinant, and its symbol is delta. So let us quickly see one example based on this, right? So question number 1. Determinant -1 to 5 determinant -1 to 5. Here 3, 4, -1, and 2, -2, 4. So quickly find in your notes with Sarah's method and tell me the answer, or any method which is comfortable to you. Okay. If you want to find this with normal method, find this with normal method. Just expand with any row or column, right? And give me its value. Tell me quickly so that we can see next question. What is answer of this? Whenever you got this, type in chat box. Till then, I am starting from here. Okay. So let me write -1, 3, 2 over here, 2, 4, -2 over here, right? So on diagonal elements, 4, 4s are 16. This is -16. Then 2, 2s are 4, -4. 5, 3s are 15, 2s are 30, -30. Okay. Now minus this, and this. 5, 4s are 20, 2s are 40. Okay. So one student got answer -112. Okay. Parth, it is right answer. Now -2, -1, -1. So it is 2 1s are 1 plus, and then -2. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now this you can do in Kelsey as well. Avinash got 0. Avinash, check again. Right. So see over here. Just install Gate Virtual Calculator, student. Gate Virtual Calculator in your mobile. Right. Just install this app, because this virtual calculator is different, right? Different than the scientific calculator you are using now. So install this app in your mobile. Now, so this will become 16 plus 40 is 20, and 30, it is -50 or not? 24 minus 2, 22, 22 and 40, 62, -62. So it is your -112. Okay. Rahman also got the same answer. Is it clear now? Avinash, you got your mistake? Okay. सबको पता चल रहा है? Please give me some response. Type in chat box. It is clear or not? If it is clear, you can type clear. Just reply me privately. And if you are having any doubt, you can tell me, sir, I am having doubt in this step. Or if you want repetition of any step or any concept, just tell me, sir, repeat this. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, I want response from each one of you. We have 32 participants, and I'm getting response of 10 students. Okay, 6. Okay, great. Now let us see one more concept, that is singular and non-singular matrix. Okay. Sure. If a matrix is singular, anyone know? Then what we can write? अगर आपका matrix singular है, तो उसकी property क्या होगी? If your matrix is singular, then for that, and this is only defined for square matrix. Yes, Avinash, you are right. If your matrix A is singular, its determinant is 0. If it is non-singular, its determinant is not equal to 0. Right. अब आप इसे याद कैसे रख सकते हैं? ठीक है, याद रखने के लिए अलग अलग टेक्निक्स आप याद रख सकते हैं अच्छे से. See, today is right. This age is high cutting edge of competition. 21st century. If you'll work alone, you will be vanished, right? But if you'll work in team, then definitely you can win this race, right? Or you can win this competition. So if we will work alone means single, right? If we'll work alone, just it is for remembering, right? आप easily याद रख सके उसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. If you work alone, that means single. So it is singular matrix, you will be vanished, right? But if you will do teamwork, that is not singular, then chances are there that you will survive this competition and you will survive this game, survive this race. Okay. So based on that, you can expect few questions in GATE. Okay. And before giving you that question, let me give you few properties as well. So let us see few properties of determinant. You know row operations, isn't it? Any example of singular matrix I will give you, Bhamin. Okay. So after giving you these properties, I will give you one question based on that only. That is combination of these properties and singular matrix. Okay. Singular matrix, yes. So I will give you each concept with each example. Okay. So properties of determinant. First property. Do you know about row operations? All row operations of determinant and column operations. You can convert any row to Ri plus k Rj or directly add them, subtract them where k belongs to R, isn't it? Same you can apply for column. Okay. So Ci will be Ci plus kCj. Okay. So this is your row and column operation. So if you are applying these row and column operations, then your value of determinant will not change. Okay. No, interchange is different thing, Aman. Interchange affect karega. Interchange will affect. Right. That interchange I will tell you. But if you are applying this row operation or column operation, Ri tends to Ri plus krj or Ri will change to Ri plus krj, Ci will change to Ci plus kCj. तो आपके डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. ओके, सो फॉर सपोज for this determinant, my initial determinant is delta. This is my initial determinant delta. After applying these properties, my determinant is becoming delta dash, right? So my determinant is becoming delta dash now. So what is the difference between delta and delta dash, or what is, so here your delta dash will become same delta. So moral of the story is, if you are adding, subtracting any rows or columns in any determinant, its value will not be affected. Is it clear now? First property. I will also give you example of each property, right? Don't worry. Now suppose you are interchanging now, right? जो अभी अमन बोल रहे थे कि suppose मैं Ri और Rj को interchange कर रहा हूँ, दो रो को interchange कर रहा हूँ, दो कॉलम को interchange कर रहा हूँ, right? वो दोनों रो कॉलम interchange हो रही हैं. आपका initial determinant था डेल्टा और नेक्स्ट डिटर्मिनेंट मिल रहा है डेल्टा डैश. सो उसके बाद अब इसमें क्या चेंज आएगा? टेल मी, किसी को याद है कुछ? डेल्टा डैश विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस डेल्टा, राइट? यस, वेरी गुड पार्थ, राइट? तो डेल्टा डैश इज इक्वल टू माइनस डेल्टा. जब आप रो और कॉलम को चेंज करोगे, જ્યારે તમે કોઈ પણ બે રો અને કોલમને ઇન્ટરચેન્જ કરશો ત્યારે તમારા ડિટર્મિનન્ટની વેલ્યુ નેગેટિવ થઈ જશે. Okay, at that time your value will be negative of original determinant. Is it clear now? Now let us see third property. Okay, so
बस હવે નો હમણે.
Milan,
हेलो हेलो.
हाँ yes Milan, बोलो क्या हुआ? I think Milan was testing mic. No issue. चलो. So okay, this is the thing. Now if there is anything common in any row or column, then you can take that common value outside of the determinant as factor of it. Okay, if there is anything common in any row or column of determinant, you can take that common value outside of determinant as factor of it. Right, that means अगर आपको कोई भी रो या कॉलम में कोई भी कॉमन वैल्यू दिख रही है, सपोज इट इज 5, 10, 15, तो तीनों जगह पे 5 है. यू कैन टेक 5 आउटसाइड एज मल्टीपल ऑफ दैट डिटर्मिनेंट, राइट? वो भी पूरा सारी प्रॉपर्टीज आपको एक क्वेश्चन के अंदर सारी चीजें समझाऊंगा. ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ओके, पहले ये प्रॉपर्टीज क्लियर हो गई. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस, राइट? जो हमें स्टार्टिंग में एक शेख ने बताया था कि हम कैसे एक्सपांड कर सकते हैं विथ एनी रो और कॉलम, राइट? विथ एनी रो और कॉलम वी कैन एक्सपांड आवर डिटर्मिनेंट. ओके, so for that we can expand any determinant of any order by using the elements of any row or any column but better to consider that row or column containing as many zeros as possible, right? So always try to expand determinant with that row or column. No issue. Then again we will start new meeting. Okay, so expand determinant with that row or column which contains maximum 0, which contains maximum 0. Okay, and we will try to convert maximum zeros first, and based on that 0 row or column we are going to expand that. Okay, so these are all properties of determinant, and this is your definition of singular and non-singular matrix. Now based on these properties, let us try to solve one example of gate. Okay, so this was also the all questions I'm taking are of your previous questions of gate. Question number 2, for what values of x your matrix 2 minus x, 4, 4, minus 1, 3 minus x, 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus x is singular. Okay, so for what value of x this matrix is singular? Okay, definitely this type of questions you can expect in gate. Okay, so here this is your matrix A. Suppose this is your matrix A. If it is singular, now only we have seen that if A is singular, what is its meaning? Single है, single काम कर रहा है, उसका determinant क्या हो जाएगा? 0, right? It will be vanished. Vanished means 0. So determinant A will be 0. So determinant of 2 minus x, 4, 4, minus 1, 3 minus x, 5, 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus x is equal to 0. Now you can solve this determinant directly as well. बट आप डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करने जाओगे तो वो आपको एक क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल मिलेगा, राइट, जिसके रूट्स फाइंड करना डिफिकल्ट होगा. तो उसको डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करने से पहले अच्छा हम ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज अप्लाई करें. ओके, सो टेल मी, क्या कोई प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करने से क्या हमें मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जीरोस मिल रहे हैं? राइट, इफ यू गेट मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जीरोस देन एक्सपेंशन विल बी इजी. राइट, सी ओवर हियर, in row 2 we are having -1, in row 3 we are having +1, right? If we add these two rows, okay, Avinash got answer 2, 3, -5. We will check. Yes, so we can add these two rows R2 and R3, right? In any one row you can add them in R2 or add them in R3 as well. So let us apply this operation in R3. Let us add R2, right? Now see, this is gate now, right? अगर आप कॉलेज में ये क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, 11th 12th में कर रहे हैं तो पूरा करना है, बट गेट में आप यहीं पे कर सकते हो. So let us add, now here R3 will be changed. So let us add -1 over here. So 1 minus 1 will become 0 or not? चलो -3 plus 3 will become 0. ये आपका -x हो जाएगा. -5 plus 5 will become 0. ये भी आपका -x हो जाएगा. चलो अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? What we can do now? Are you getting my point? Now see, in this third row I am having 0, -x, -x. क्या कुछ कॉमन है थर्ड रो में? If there is anything common in any row or column, आप उसे बाहर निकाल सकते हो as a factor of it. क्या यहाँ पे कुछ कॉमन है? 0, -x, -x. टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स, क्या कॉमन है यहाँ पे? 0 में से तो हम कुछ भी कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं ना, राइट? यस, -x, राइट. सो लेट अस टेक -x कॉमन आउटसाइड. सो ये -x बाहर आ जाएगा, 0 तो 0 ही रहेगा. दिस विल बिकम 1 एंड दिस विल बिकम 1 और नॉट. तो ये तो आपका 0 ही है. सो 0, 1, 1, मैंने -x को बाहर निकाल लिया. इज इट क्लियर? चलो और कुछ कर सकते हैं. अभी हमें मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जीरोस कवर करने हैं. सो एक चीज ऑलवेज याद रखना, जब भी आपको 1 दिखे, राइट, व्हेनेवर यू सी 1, सो मेनी 1 इन डिटरमिनेंट, ट्राई टू मेक ऑल द 1 0 विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनी 1. कोई भी एक 1 को टारगेट करो. सपोज ये 1 को मुझे रखना है, तो इसकी मदद से बाकी के 1 को 0 कर दो, राइट? सो यस, कैन आई अप्लाई दिस ऑपरेशन ओवर हियर? या तो C2 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो या C3 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. So let us change C2 to C2 minus C3, right? अब मैं subtract कर रहा हूँ, तो C2 में से मैं C3 को subtract कर रहा हूँ. So this will become 1 minus 1 0. This will become 4 minus 4 0. Now 3 minus 5 will become -2 minus x. अब जल्दबाजी मत करो. जब कुछ ज्यादा प्रोसेस एक साथ मत करो, खिचड़ी मत बनाओ. राइट। जब आपके पास ऐसा हो जाए कि बहुत सारी प्रोसेस हो गई है, तो जो भी आपको आंसर मिला है उसे पहले अच्छे से लिख दो। Okay, so first we are getting minus x outside. Here we got 2 minus x minus 1 0 without making any mistake. Here we are having 0 minus 2 minus x again 0 4 5 1. Just one step can save your marks. Right? अगर यहाँ से आप डायरेक्ट लिखने जाओगे तो डेफिनेटली आपके मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे, तो और मिस्टेक्स के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे। तो जब भी आप ऐसे उसी के अंदर सिंप्लीफिकेशन कर रहे हैं, दो प्रोसेस से ज्यादा सिंप्लीफाई मत करो। राइट, या जब उसे डिटरमिनेंट को लिख रहे हो तो अलग अलग लिखो, थोड़ा स्पेशियसली लिखो ताकि आसपास सारे प्रोसेस कर पाओ, और एक्सपांड करने से पहले जो भी आपको आंसर मिल रहा है वो लिखो। चलो, हाँ यस अविनाश। चलो अब यहाँ पे क्या मैं इसको एक्सपांड कर सकता हूँ विथ थर्ड रो। थर्ड रो में मेरे पास एलिमेंट्स क्या है, 0 0 1। राइट, और उनकी साइंस कैसे मिलेगी, मुझे साइन टेबल याद करो। राइट, साइन टेबल क्या था हमारा, प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस। यहाँ मिठाई रखी थी हमने मेहमानों के लिए, तो प्लस माइनस प्लस। तो 0 से तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं। राइट, डायरेक्ट हम यहाँ 1 से उसको फाइंड कर देंगे। ओके, हाँ यस, वी कैन टेक माइनस कॉमन फ्रॉम R2 एज वेल, so this will become minus x, and let us expand from this 1. So if I hide rows and column of 1, right, see over here, if you hide row and column containing this 1, you will be left with these elements, right? So now it is minus x with its value 1 multiplied with 2 by 2 determinant 2 minus x 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus x. It is equal to 0. So therefore it is minus x. Now 2 minus x into minus 2 minus x minus 0 equal to 0. So therefore minus x, right, this is 2 minus x students, right. अब यहाँ से मैं माइनस कॉमन निकाल देता हूँ तो ये आपका प्लस हो जाएगा, दिस इज x plus 2 equal to 0. Right, now simplify from here, so you will get x equal to 0 or x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2. This is your answer. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला था, मैं आपको सारी प्रॉपर्टीज भी समझाऊंगा, सिंगुलर वाला भी एग्जांपल दूंगा। तो ये क्वेश्चन में आपके ऑलमोस्ट सारे प्रॉपर्टीज कवर हो गए। ठीक है, पहली प्रॉपर्टी प्लस माइनस करने वाला, इंटरचेंज वाला भी यहाँ पे नहीं आया है, दैट वी विल सी। ठीक है, फिर ये आपकी प्रॉपर्टी आ गई कॉमन निकालने वाला, और वहां से एक्सपांड करने वाला जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम जीरोज हैं, और सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स का भी एग्जाम्पल आ गया। और कोई एक स्टूडेंट की अभी गलती हुई है, आप इसे भूल जाते हो, यहाँ पे एक्स भी मल्टीप्लाइड में है तो वो एक्स भी आपका 0 होगा। So 0 2 minus 2. Is it clear now? Shall I repeat this question? क्या repetition की जरूरत है या clear हो गया? Please give me some response. Type in chat box. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, clear everyone. Shall we move to new properties and new questions? Okay. Sure. So let me give you one property first, and let us solve one more example based on that. So see one more property. So जब आपने यहाँ पे देखा स्टूडेंट, जब आपने यहाँ पे 2 by 2 डिटर्मिनेंट को हमने एक्सपांड किया था, तो 2 by 2 डिटर्मिनेंट में हमारे पास कितनी टर्म्स थी, 2 और नॉट। दिस इज योर वन टर्म, दिस इज योर अनदर टर्म, इजंट इट? जब आपने 3 by 3 डिटर्मिनेंट को एक्सपांड किया तो हमारे पास कितनी टर्म थी, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6। ओके, तो यहाँ से एक जनरलाइज प्रॉपर्टी है, इन एक्सपांशन ऑफ n by n determinant, we will have n factorial terms, right? और फैक्टोरियल के बारे में तो आप सबको पता ही होगा, right? तो उसके एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं। अगर आप 2 by 2 लोगे, okay, so for 2 by 2 it is 2 factorial which is equal to 2. For 3 by 3 it is 3 factorial which is equal to 3 2s are 6, isn't it? Please give me some response. Okay, तो एक्सपांशन ऑफ n by n डिटर्मिनेंट में आपके पास n फैक्टोरियल टर्म्स होंगे, तो इसके बेस पे से भी आप क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट। सपोज आपको कोई 4 by 4 डिटर्मिनेंट दे रहे हैं, तो उसमें कितने टर्म्स होंगे, 4 फैक्टोरियल, दैट इज 4 into 3 फैक्टोरियल, 6 4s are 24. ओके, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ओके, चलो अब इसके बेस पे से मैं आपको अब एक 4 by 4 डिटर्मिनेंट दे रहा हूँ जिसकी हमें वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है।